What you got there? What you got there? He wouldn't say. He wouldn't share either. Move, Bandit. Move. Move, Bandit. Move. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. That's it. This is Blue. This is Oliver. And this is Bandit. Oliver, it is not a good idea to go out there. It is raining. Cats and dogs. Okay, just cats. You sure you want to go out there? Oliver? Sure you want to go out there? Alright. You said it, buddy. Go ahead. Off he goes. You want to go too, Bandit? Oh, off he goes too. Alright. Somebody changed their mind really fast. Not him. He said he's going to hang out underneath the truck. Yeah, I didn't think it was a good idea. He sure did. Well, come on, Oliver. Come on, boy. Come on. All right. Yeah, see, I tried to tell you, but since you don't speak human language, you just didn't listen. Come here, boy. Come on, Oliver. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, get up on the swing, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on, get up on the swing. Come on. She knows how to do it. I'm too timid. She's got more balls than he does. That's too funny.